In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export video in Figma fast 2025 guide. If you've mocked up an animated flow or a clickable prototype and you just want a clean video or GIF without fuss, this method is the quickest way to get there. Before we start, make sure your prototype actually plays with transitions or smart animations and that the frames you want to record are connected in prototype mode. First, open the Action menu in Figma. Look for the Actions button. It's a little lightning bolt at the bottom center of the Figma window. You can also use the quick action search to speed things up by pressing Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac. This search bar lets you run plugins instantly, so you don't have to dig through menus. Next, type Export to GIF video into that search bar. From the results, choose the plugin called Prototype to GIF Video. If it's your first time using it, Figma may prompt you to allow permissions. Go ahead and approve so the plugin can access your current file. The plugin is designed for exactly this use case, taking a live animated prototype and turning it into a shareable video or looping GIF without extra tools. Now configure and export. The plugin will automatically detect your animated prototype. Confirm the flow or frames it should capture, then choose your export settings. Pick MP4 for smoother playback and easy sharing on most platforms, or choose GIF if you need a looping animation for embeds. Set the resolution or scale to match your design. Exporting at 1x is usually enough, but 2x can give you crisper results for high-density displays. For frame rate, 24 to 30 frames per second keeps animations smooth without ballooning file size. If you're creating a looping demo, enable loop and trim the duration to just the key interaction. Check background color or transparency if available, especially if your frames sit on a transparent canvas. When everything looks right, click Export and choose where to save. While it renders, keep Figma in the foreground for the fastest performance. When the file is ready, open it to review. If the plugin can't find your prototype, switch to the Prototype tab and make sure at least one interaction connects your frames. If the output looks too heavy or lags, reduce the frame size, lower the FPS slightly, or export a shorter segment. And note that prototype audio isn't captured. Add narration later in your video editor if needed. That's it. Fast, clean exports from Figma to video or GIF in just a few clicks.